Welcome to this course, guys. In this course, you will learn all about database administration using MySQL Workbench. My aim for this course is to teach you stuff in such a way that you are job ready by the end. We will learn MySQL and Workbench using a hands-on approach with Workbench, and you'll see how you can manage databases efficiently. I'll focus on teaching job-ready skills like data operations, relationships, security, and definitely backups that are a huge part in any DBA role. You will also learn how to create, optimize, and secure databases to ace DBA interviews and enhance your portfolio. And finally, you'll see some real-world DBA scenarios and practical tips that will help you in your professional growth and career. So subscribe and stay tuned. The lessons are coming soon, and let's land you that DBA job this year.